yeah, 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 yeah. I'm going in, no time to play. Hey, 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 hey. I got a dream I wanna chase. Hey, 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 hey. So stack the money in the bay. Hey, 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 hey. That's something I gotta say. Hey, 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 yeah. I kick my feet about the bay. Hey, 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 yeah. I'm able to swing, I wanna sway. Hey, hey, hey.
Alright, just got here at the supercharger. I don't know how long I have to wait. Good thing is, there's no one actually behind in front of me right here, but there are people, all the people are right there. So yeah, still have to wait. I don't know how long I have to wait though. Not long, but got time.
I'm feeling over the underhanded. Been nice and noise, like we is grown up and understanding that shit just has overs, but not getting over overs. I oversight been the focus. I overnight been the closest. I'm over hiding emotions. I said like,
girl, why is you walking? Girl, why aren't we talking? You were the one who was looking for something. I remember now why it ain't about loving. I just wanna get on my wave. Oh, if you don't wanna, just say so. Otherwise, call it a day. I got places to be. I can't stay in one place. So you know, since like 16, I've been all on my own too. I had to go and change it up, cause I was getting tired of my old views. I'm just going OT till they fucking know me, till they put my city on a map. Yeah, running dummy on a hunt for something that you just can't find up in a class. Yeah, nice colors in a rear view, but they ain't nothing like what's in the distance. They used to blow.
Alright, I am currently at LAX right now. So just dropping mom's off. Right now I'm heading home finally. This airport is empty, I swear to god. There's like no one in here, I swear. I never see LAX this empty before. Oh my god. Hang on a sec. Yeah, I never see LAX this empty before. But yeah, it's all like nothingness. There's no car actually. Alright, guess time to leave. Look at that. Usually here's like packed with all the cars. Packed with all the cars, but nothing. No one. Look at it. No car at all. Zero. And this street, this entire bridge used to be packed. Like just by entering this street, like from the bridge to here, it takes like 1.5 hours to make it on here. I know, like, because right now there's not a lot of flight, but I didn't realize it's this bad actually. This is the sidewalk of the airport. I actually never seen before. But this is the sidewalk. Oh my god, that's the ISL landing thing. Oh my god. I am tired. Now I have to take all these upstairs. I have to take turns. It's too much stuff. This is too much. So now apparently this is terrible lighting, by the way. So now apparently I'm gonna basically leave by myself for 2 months. And this is just empty apartment, which I kind of excited for, because yeah, I really never lived by myself like this before. Kind of sad when I take my mom to the airport today, because on the way back it is a little bit lonely. Oh my god. Alright, today is go-kart day. I'm gonna go go-karting with one of my friends. This camera is almost dead. Oh, I didn't charge it. That's freaking horrible bad. Alright, I'm gonna cut it now. I'm gonna save battery.